Meaning of dull-witted.
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 Dull-witted. Dull-witted is an adjective used to describe someone who is slow to understand or lacks intelligence. They may have difficulty comprehending complex ideas, struggle with problem solving, and may be slow to learn new concepts. This term implies a lack of mental sharpness and agility. It can also refer to someone who is unresponsive or uninterested in their surroundings. Overall, dull-witted describes a person with limited cognitive abilities and a lack of mental acuity.